Having your own organic garden isn't just convenient, it makes eating healthy more affordable. Here's what you'll need to get started. First, make sure your garden has plenty of high-quality organic soil. It should be nutrient-rich with a loamy texture that's root-friendly and keeps plants from becoming waterlogged. You'll find a wide variety of non-GMO seeds and seedlings to choose from at your Home Depot Garden Center. Just be sure to get seedlings in the ground as soon after purchase as possible, even if the weather is chilly. Pull weeds by hand so they don't compete with your plants for sun, food, and water. And keep a 3-inch layer of mulch-like straw down to suppress weed growth. Finally, protect your prized plants from pests and disease using all-natural methods and products like BT, neem oil, and organic insecticidal soap. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.